Did you know your life depends on a moving river flowing inside you right now? Imagine about 60,000 miles of blood vessels inside your body, enough to circle the earth more than twice. Every beat of your heart sends blood racing through this network, delivering life to places you'll never see but feel every day. Picture this. Around 2 million new red blood cells are created every second in your body. That's over 170 billion cells in just a day, constantly replacing the old. Inside you, life and death are trading places every heartbeat, renewing you without you even noticing. And what fuels all of this? Food. Visualize a plate full of living color. Greens, fruits, seeds, roots. The minerals, proteins, and enzymes from that food are broken down and rebuilt into the very blood cells that carry your life. What you eat doesn't just fill your stomach, it designs your bloodstream. Now zoom in. See a single red blood cell, tiny, flexible, bright, squeezing through a narrow vessel. Its job is simple but sacred. Carry oxygen. Those cells help feed roughly 30 to 40 trillion cells in your body, each one depending on that oxygen to stay alive. Dr. Otto Warburg showed that when cells are starved of oxygen, disease grows more easily. But when oxygen flows freely, cells can thrive. Dive deeper into the microcirculation, the finest branches of your vessel network. These capillaries are thinner than a hair, yet they touch virtually every cell. This is where the real exchange happens. Nutrients move in, waste and toxins move out. Billions of these exchanges happen every second, keeping your internal environment clean and alive. Now, picture your liver, your main filter, constantly working in the background. It helps detoxify substances from food, metabolism, and the environment, then sends those processed wastes back into the blood so your kidneys, lungs, and skin can remove them. Your blood is both the delivery truck and the garbage truck, bringing life in, carrying toxins out. When blood is flowing freely and well-nourished, this detox dance is smooth. When it's sluggish, everything slows, and you feel it as fatigue, heaviness, or brain fog. Traveling inside this same river is your immune system, your body's living awareness. Picture white blood cells moving like bright guardians through a sea of red, scanning for invaders, damaged cells, and places that need repair. Your immune system is not random. It is intelligent. It sees what's wrong, decides what needs to happen next, and directs healing all over the body. But it can only reach where your blood and microcirculation allow it to go. Nourished blood and open microcirculation mean your immune system has full access, from your brain to your toes, from your organs to your skin. So pause and look inward. What are you doing to uplift these systems? What are you feeding your body, your blood, your life? Did a clear answer come to you? Or did these questions open your eyes to something you've been ignoring? Do you believe the food we're eating today has the same nutritional value that it did 30 to 50 years ago? So what are you doing to feed your body, your blood, your immune system? What if there was a simple, natural way to support your blood, your circulation, and your immune intelligence? Something easy to understand and easy to start. If you want that answer, ask for the next video. Because the key to unlocking this miracle system might be far more simple and far more powerful than you think.